The first thing I would like to show you is the fat ball holder. It holds 3 fat balls at a time. And as I can see here, you can see little lumps taken out of it from where birds have pecked at it. That goes right there. Right next to me here we have the butterfly feeder and rest station. They can rest and eat stuff from there. This is a normal nut holder, quite a small one. This one is an all-purpose seed holder. We have a fat ball block feeder, just like a block put inside a cage thing and they eat out of that. And we have a massive nut feeder right there, about 2 times the size of this smaller one. We also have a bird box which is meant for small birds like blue tits to just go in that little hole there. Of course you can see it's very small, and that's it.